Come on, open this door. Mad. Come on, open this door.
Enter inside.
Jesus.
Jesus. No, like this guy. I talk and say this guy is a very bad person.
You don't know.
He say you no go see escape from the. I go escape from that. You don't escape.
Come on, go down, idiot. Go down.
I go.
Do make she wake up.
Make she wake up.
Jesus. Hello. Jesus.
How you take meet this guy?
This guy meet me for road though. He come pay me 300,000. Say me and can just dey for the night oh.
Okay.
I can't say no problem. We can't lodge for this place now. This hotel I don't even know this place.
So what's it gonna happen? Why you can't sleep?
What's happening? Because yesterday night you hear your voice
This
before
guy
your
come
voice.
say make we come to the thing without protection. I say no be so that they run am for this place now. Say make you use protection. The next thing, just cover me something. I saw I text. I don't even know myself again.
Mama, if you like not to look this guy, go bring this thing.
No, brother.
Give man. You go talk. You go wake this guy up. You know who enter your room. But the guy knows who they gave for inside this room yesterday. It concern you.
No concern you. What did they do?
It concern you.
Jesus, I'm on. So family, we can't lodge for this hotel. We don't know waiting to happen. I don't know waiting to happen for this room because you know one guy will carry one bed like that. So I don't know waiting to happen for you. The bed just the shout.
Bro, the one we even invest me. I like at the year when they give the shout, stop. They can't be the AC before we know they give voice 6. And now lodge you can't lodge. The same room. Anything will happen we hear from here. See room who lodge. Bro, before find out waiting they happen for here.
We don't know can buy.
So now on our room service.
Room service, I bet.
He said? I bet one check water for there, one check that water whether in the rush. Chairman, if he just wake up, if he didn't make I beg, move check waiting one check. Bro, I suspect this guy. Oh yeah, Chairman, you know what you can Mark one come out the bed sheet, bring another one.
Okay, if I need your service, I will call you.
Chairman, no do a beg. Now my work be this. Now what you need to do and time don't go.
You disturb me.
Our manager won't sack us now. Instead we can't change the bed sheet. I beg. Now what we do with that now? Over 24 hours now. I beg.
Okay, I don't need you now. If I need
Go carry this thing, come. Go meet anybody, you understand?
Because
room 3, college, go to come. I don't know what's in the house. What's happening like this? Come on, open this door. Mad. Come on, open this door.
Enter inside.
Jesus.
No, like this guy. I talk and say this guy is a very bad person.
Just lock
up. Why enter my room like that? Nothing that happen now.
Baba, I don't want to follow you. Don't make me come out too.
Baba, where you go? Who are you? What did you do with Calabash? I talk am share the thing say if like say I dey something the one. Now what people enter my room abi? Why no go enter your room? Now what people enter my room? What dey do?
No.
Say ma dey place. You dey slam my guy, you mad. Come on.
Alpha, wait.
Yeah.
I swear to Almighty God. I swear to Almighty God.
You open my room.
If me and you know say yourself to the man, know why?
What's you?
Wait, waiting they stop with this girl.
You don't concern you.
Waiting is
You don't concern
the video this girl guy.
You don't concern you.
You don't concern me.
You don't concern you.
You don't concern me, ba. You don't concern me.
Chima, what you do with this? What you concern you? What you concern for trying to do here?
What you do with this girl?
What you concern you for?
Yes, what you do with this girl?
We don't enter your room. But the guy knows who they gave for inside this room yesterday. It concern you.
You don't concern me. What you do?
It concern you.
Jesus, I'm on.
You get my
slap. I go slap. No, I go frustrate you. If I not frustrate you,
no worry.
If I not frustrate you, I know why.
No worry now.
You never answer my question.
What do you do with Calabash?
What do you do with Calabash and this girl?
You go regret this here. This person I enter, I go regret am.
And they talk to you serious now.
Carry anything you want to carry. You go regret one I enter. We ask what do you do with this person?
And they talk to you. What do they do with this girl?
What do they do with this girl? What do they do?
For your man day today. If your man know the man know why. What do you?
You better say no.
Start talking, bro.
You better say no.
Start talking. What do they do with this girl? Now see what they have. Now see
this guy now.
Now see wetin dey happen.
See wetin dey happen.
Una see wetin dey happen.
Wetin dey try do?
What did happen?
Collect that guy that phone.
After all this one.
Collect that guy that phone. Collect that phone.
Come on, there, Jones. If I talk to you, see if you come up for this hotel, I know why.
They mad.
If you come up for this
What
hotel, I know
you
why.
can enter here?
Baba, make that guy wake up.
You say again,
Make that guy wake up.
do make this get
What you
wake up.
can enter here?
Do make this get wake up.
Make-
Una not see wetin dey happen.
See, if you not come out for here,
Una
so
not
what
see
happen to this guy? Go
This
happen
guy
to
dey
you.
slap me for hotel. Wetin dey do with this girl?
If you not come out for here, what happen to this guy? Go happen to you.
Bro, Alpha,
It is a different. Just for
if I no arrest you, if you no sleep for cell, man, I know why.
Chairman,
Sleep for cell.
I dey ask you
You see
simple
many
question.
girls come like this, eh?
Wetin you
Wetin
do
dey do with this
person?
calabash?
Wetin dey do with Calabash? You dey do. Collect that guy that phone.
Carry am, if you get mine, touch am now.
If I get my
Touch am, if you get mine.
If I get
Person
my
hotel again.
Touch am, if you get
if
mine.
you no the make this get
What
wake up.
happen to this guy? Go happen to you. Touch am
If you
now.
no the make this get wake up, if I no scatter this thing, man, I know why.
Scatter am.
They play with me. If I no
Touch
scatter
am.
this thing, man, I know why. Do make this
Touch
get
am.
wake up. And they
Wetin
talk
you want
to the
do?
press phone.
You no go wake up.
Okay, she no go
What
wake
you
up.
carry? What you carry? Enter here.
This guy dey don't tell us say we no carry anything.
Baba, you no dey go anywhere.
You no dey go anywhere.
Yeah, you no dey go
Chairman,
anywhere.
wetin you do person daughter make this girl wake up now?
Wetin you do this?
We dey talk to this guy dey sit down we come
You
here
dey
to
talk
talk
to
with
you still
you.
dey make noise. We dey talk to you still dey make noise.
Baba, this guy you need to arrest this guy. Make this girl wake up.
If I no arrest you today, make I know why. If
Mama.
police no come pick you, man, I know why.
Mama.
See wetin you do to person daughter.
Mama.
See wetin you do to person daughter.
Mama,
See, una no see wetin dey sup for hotel o. I say man come lodge for here based on the issue wey I get. See wetin dey happen. So you don't use this girl like
we
this.
just dey hear noise since yesterday
No,
night. See
you
room
dey.
no lot. The kid dey shout stop. Before we go know, we no hear the guy voice again. We no come hear the guy voice
If
again.
me and you no sleep for cell.
Okay, wait till I find come here.
Baba, nothing. I want make you to make this girl wake
Hey,
up.
I wanna leave you. Make I do my thing now.
Do your thing, I want.
now.
Wetin
Now,
be this?
this is
Wetin be
another
this
guy.
thing?
Okay, what do you want? What you carry you come here? What do you
I
want?
want make you do make this girl wake up and I want me to tell us the reason why they do this thing. Wetin this calabash dey do for here? If you like slap me, if you like beat me, you no go comot for here.
What do you want? Now money you want?
I no want.
Which one be say na money you want?
What you come for here
My
now?
problem is say I want me to make this girl wake up.
I suspect you when I dey tell you say make you open door so we wan come check hotel.
Wait,
You
you
no
no use
gree.
this girl for ritual. Na
Wetin you wan do with this
You
girl?
no use this girl for ritual.
No worry, if na money you want, I go TF you. No worry. Mona give me account.
We no want. We no want. We no want.
I go break your phone o. No be say I dey look
Mama,
and dey talk you dey talk you go tell me I go break your phone o.
If I no scatter
Who dey beg you for
Mama,
money? See person daughter see the way he dey tell you one. Baba na I dey look him not for don break this guy
Bro,
phone
Alpha.
for you.
Wait. Mona do 5M. Mona go. Mona do 5M. Mona allow me.
Okay, you wan give us 5
You wan give us money?
This one be the problem now.
Na the 5 million naira go wake up this girl.
The girl na your sister.
You know me, guy.
Eh?
You know me.
Man, you sabi this girl.
The same way make you do make this girl dead like this, you go make her make she regain.
Na your wife be this one na your sister.
You know,
Because the way they
Okay,
hear
no
you,
concern.
and the way they hear when you are just get a
You must
black
be
case
very,
TV.
very stupid
Don't
person.
I
be very stupid person.
What you do for here?
Wetin do this girl? I saw.
Don't slow. If this guy wan do nonsense, if I no scatter this thing, man, I know why. If this guy wan mumu, if you wan mumu yourself, I go scatter this.
Baba, wetin dey do with calabash?
Guy, calm down.
You dey hear wetin I dey
Guy,
talk?
calm down.
My problem is say I wan make you explain wetin this thing dey do for here and why this
What
girl dey
this
like
thing
this.
they do for here? You know matter. You know matter. Wetin matter be say wetin carry you come here.
Okay,
I
but-
don't ask you whether na money you want.
I no want money.
So wetin be the thing now?
Wetin I want make you do make
Family
this
show
girl
na
wake
dey hear wetin this guy dey talk. Una dey hear wetin this guy
You
dey
wan
talk
give
with
us
person
money?
daughter. You wan give us money? You wan bribe us for hotel who dey?
up. You no dey
You no dey go anywhere o. No allow that guy come this door
You no dey
side.
go anywhere, bro. You no dey go
Chairman,
anywhere.
wake this girl up. You comot for here.
You dey hear wetin I dey talk? If you no sleep for cell, if you no go to jail, man, I know why. You dey play with me. Baba, if you want make you understand with
Mama.
if you want make you understand
Mama.
do make this girl wake up.
Mama.
Don't make me carry this guy comot.
Wait, they talk to me. Make this guy wake this. Mama. Mama.
They no born you well. Do anything wey you want to do.
Chairman, wetin you do this girl? Mama, if you like to not do the look this guy, I go break this thing.
No, brother.
Get mad. You go talk. You go wake this girl up.
You go do make this girl wake up.
You go wake am.
Don't go break that thing.
I go break this thing. You
don't do it, wake am.
You go break that thing.
No, break
that thing. Don't
Make it
Leave am, I don't break am.
do make this girl wake up, guy.
I return am first.
Do make this girl wake up first.
I go do am. Hold on, wait.
Oh, yeah,
I
do
go
this
do am.
thing.
Wait, I go do am.
Drop am first.
Wait, drop am first.
Ma, drop am.
Drop am first.
Oya na, make they go down. Make they go down. Make they go
Go
down.
down, guy. Go down.
Come on, go down.
Come on, go down, idiot. Go down.
I go.
Do make she wake up.
Make she wake up.
Jesus.
Hello.
Jesus.
Where you carry this girl?
Jesus.
What is this?
Jesus.
Jesus!
Madam, we don't know.
Oga Thomas, what is this? You wan use me?
Baba,
You wan use me?
explain. Wait.
Hold on, don't fire me.
Mama, wait.
It's not why you
happen? Wait, no, just explain to us.
Jesus!
Wetin happen?
Kando! Jesus, okay?
Wetin happen? What is
Wetin happen? What's your name? Where you? I share with this guy.
My name is...
You don't go shut up. You don't go shut up. I go slap.
I go press your neck. I go
Jesus!
Wetin dey sup?
Jesus!
Wetin happen?
How you take me this guy?
Yesterday, this guy meet me for road, oh. He come pay me 300,000, say make me and am just dey for the night, oh.
Okay.
I come say no problem, we come lodge for this place now. This hotel, I don't even know this place.
So wetin go happen? Why you come sleep?
Wetin happen? Because yesterday night you dey hear your voice
The
before
guy
you
come say
voice.
make we come do the thing without protection. I say no be so they run am for this place now. Say make him use protection. The next thing, he just cover me something. I so I take, I don't even know myself again, oh.
So they
Jesus
you
Christ.
You and I don't know before.
No, he just speak me for street, oh. He just speak
Okay,
me. Me, I be street girl. Me, I be street. I don't date to the business, no be today.
like how much money can give you?
How much?
300,000 when
You want
give me,
10
oh.
person life because of 300k.
Jesus
You want 10 person
Christ.
life because of 300k.
God don't punish you. God don't punish
You
you.
want 10 person life because of
But I don't
300k.
keep quiet.
God don't fail. Your plan don't fail. God don't punish you.
Why you follow this guy?
Why you follow? Why you go
The
follow?
country hard, not my hustle, not my business.
You just see my sister.
Now my business, oh, God, don't reach now like that.
I think carry this thing.
No vex, now my business.
No man, you.
Jesus
We go
Christ.
lucky for police
Baba,
station.
we
Thank you,
Stop.
Jesus.
You come
I
outside.
will repent.
I dey try open the first door.
Jesus.
Mama, come this side.
The man.
If you move, come on.
Wait,
Come back here. We go finish what you
The
can do.
man.
This
The
guy
man.
keep
God
forward.
don't punish you today,
They
Oga.
don't burn you.
God don't
Wait,
punish you,
wait.
Oga.
I want to see something.
God,
When they
don't
want do
know
this
why.
thing, do
If
when
not-
be
if
this
God
thing?
don't punish you.
If no sleep for jail, make I know why.
Wetin be this thing?
No worry now.
God don't punish
Wetin
you.
be this thing now?
Wetin dey
No,
use
this guy
God
never.
don't
Wetin
punish
go this thing do? Just
They
allow
get-
me face. For allow me break. You won't give this guy wound.
No worry. You see you. Eh? You see you. You no go fit escape from the. I go
I
get
don't
you.
go fit escape,
I go
Oga.
get you.
Now you no go escape. Come on.
Wetin be this? So they empower. Come on, come.
Never see anything.
God
Never
don't
see
punish you.
anything.
Your plan don't fail.
This you say, but now
Your plan don't fail.
so that tomorrow now we no go dey follow people.
Wetin carry you come this place?
Omo, the
Why no go let am
country
work?
hard. The country
Why no go let am work?
nobody to train me, Oga. No dey reason am like that.
Who no dey reason am
Country
wetin?
hard.
If so we no dey eye for take
No
save you.
fair, sorry.
No, leave am, leave am, leave am, leave am, leave am, leave am.
Sorry. I go repent. I no go do am again.
This guy dey pretend. This guy oga arrest this guy.
Baba, we dey carry you go.
We dey carry
police
comot for
station
this
like
place. You see this hotel we dey.
Don't play with this guy.
Ghana.
Our family go on this.
Wear your
We
clothes.
dey carry this guy like this
Jesus.
go police station. He dey
Hold on,
mad.
hold on.
Child, thank you, Jesus. Your plan don't fail, Oga. Take him to the police station. Take him to the police station.
Police
Come
station dey
on,
mad.
stand up.
There go.
Open that door. Open that door.
Jesus.
Alpha, just open that door.
Open am.
Take him away.
If I don't carry you like this, go
Child,
come out,
thank
go
you,
away.
Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
Where those people say when they